Hi guys, welcome to my video creator review, and throughout this video I'm going to show you some of the awesome creations you can make with this all-in-one app, and I will show you a huge selection of bonuses that I'm going to give you as well. So let's look at this app, and it's the most powerful video animation suite. It's finally here, yeah. Unlike other apps you may have seen before, Video Creator comes loaded with over 650 jaw-dropping video templates, which I'm going to show you throughout this video. It's the largest collection of high-quality customizable video templates available in any one app. Now, I can verify that, guys, because I buy video apps and I test them out. I use them for my business. I use them, I show them on this channel, and this one has got so many templates. It's unbelievable, guys. No other video app in the market comes with the latest technologies like motion tracking, logo mapping, scroll stoppers, neon videos, 3D visuals, and live action with specific local business. Yeah, basically, when you buy your video apps, yeah, it's specific to certain kind of videos. This one, it's just got them all, guys. It's like your one-stop place. There are hundreds of unique video templates that will blow the competition out of the water. No need to go buying lots of different apps, guys. You buy this one, and that's all you need, guys. And these are some of the videos you can make, guys. These are just the titles. I will show you some more. Like, so you got your explaining videos. These are very popular. Whiteboard, e-commerce, video ads, live action, video commercials, social media, logo reveals, product promos, slideshows, scroll stoppers, and mock-ups. Now, it's just unbelievable, guys. All the different kinds of videos. Let's scroll down now and have a look at some of these, right? Now, this is as it's saying, yeah, the largest collection of pro quality video templates. The app comes loaded with over 670 tested, ready to use video templates. Yeah. You have total control to customize the logos, the text, the images, the music, the watermarks, backgrounds, basically everything. You can create scroll stoppers. Yeah. These are very popular. Now let's have a look at some of these. Now this first to market, revolutionary logo motion tracking technology. Now, as you can see, you can put your logo or a customer's logo, so you can sell these to local businesses, and the video tracks it. So let's have a look at it. Yeah, we'll just play a bit of it. We'll turn the music down. And look, as you can see at the bottom, you can put your whatever message you want. Look at the phone, how it moves, and you're tracking the logos. Yeah, it's very clever. Just think all these different logo reveals you can sell to different companies. You can use them for your own business, your own channel. Put whatever text you want on that truck, and you'll see it moving. Very clever technology. So stop this, guys. There's lots more. Now, another one, guys, scroll stoppers. These are the type of videos what you see on Facebook when you're scrolling down and they look like they're coming out of the screen. Here's some of the examples. Look, he's going to throw this. And it looks like it's coming at you, and he's just smashed the screen. Lion running at you. Can you see how they're popping out of the screen? You got like your text as if you're on a Facebook post, and then they're coming out of the screen, kind of thing. They're just some of them. You can. There's plenty more of these, and these are very popular. They work very well on Facebook when you're creating ads, and like them again, you can sell to your to businesses. This live action as if it's text, as if you're sending a text message. It says here, perfect choice for local businesses and entrepreneurs to attract new traffic, leads, and sales. Create the perfect video message for any local business with live actors dressed in various props and clothing to represent specific professions. Live actors dressed as doctors, real estate agents, handymen, construction, fitness, shopping, business, military, you name it, guys. You can create so many different videos for different companies and put their message, their logos on, or even your own. We'll stop that there, guys. Another one, first to market, profit boosting e-commerce and 3D product mock-up videos. These are very popular. Putting your labels and your labels, your logos, your description, and that. You can create all these different ads and stuff like that. Drive a lot of traffic and get a lot of sales, guys. Another one, 3D animation videos. Now these are very good, and you can sell these. I sell these. I use another product, what only does 3D, and these sell very well. Photorealistic 3D animations bring your videos to life. Hiring freelancers to create 3D videos like these will cost thousands. Using complicated animation apps requires skill and experience. That is very true, guys. I use the apps, and instead of like hiring freelancers now, this is what I do. People hire me to make them. Now, this is what you could do as well. It makes it easy for anyone to create 3D animation videos, but your customers don't need to know that. Your clients don't need to know that. And if you go onto sites like Fiverr and Upwork, places like where all freelancers go, you can create accounts and start selling these individual videos. So you can make a gig on Fiverr for 3D animation videos. You can make one for mock-up videos. Yeah, so you don't have to have them all in one, like all one advert for them all. Just each individual. So it's state of the art. Yeah, features without state of the art features without expensive subscription costs or monthly fees. Yeah, nothing compares to Video Creator. It comes at a one low price, guys, and we'll look at the price in a minute. It's an all-in-one video maker, a ready-made video with ready-made video templates. You can customize everything, upload your own logos, your images, and music. You can create videos in all different dimensions, so you can upload them to your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok, you name it, guys. You can create it for them. Millions of royalty-free images, so you're not going to get done for copyright because it's using royalty-free. Same with music. It's an easy-to-use dashboard and it's full HD resolution. Built-in music library, so you can select from hundreds of music tracks. Again, it's royalty-free, so you're not going to get in trouble. You can use it on your YouTube channels. It's 100% cloud-based, so you don't need to install anything. So if you've got a pretty old computer, you don't have to worry about it because it's all on the app. It's all online. You get lots of training. You get perfect support, which I stand by that, guys. I have bought many products from these creators, these vendors, and yeah, they're very good. So, guys, let's have a look at some of the bonuses. Yeah, what you're going to get. These are the bonuses what you'll get from the vendor. Yeah. So it doesn't matter who you buy from, you're going to get these bonuses either way if they give them you. But I'm going to give you extra ones as well, a lot more. So VidCompass, yeah. The groundbreaking VidCompass app instantly translates your video descriptions, yeah, to different languages. So if you're on YouTube and you want to promote your video in lots of different languages and like have different channels for different like countries, this is a great app because it you can automatically translate it. Yeah. Bonus number 2 from them is VidRank. Yeah, so it helps you uncover the keywords of influencer videos that get millions of views. Yeah, so if you're struggling to get views, you can use this and it will help you find the keywords. So you don't have to pay for other sites. You can just use this. You don't have to waste time, yeah? Number 3, Campaign Cloner. Yeah. And as you can see, guys, all these apps cost a lot of money. Yes, this one is it's 197 value. Yeah, same with this one, 197. Same with this one. And then Campaign Cloner instantly find all the most profitable Facebook ads. So what you can do, guys, if you want to sell Facebook ads, you can find these ads using this Campaign Cloner. Then you can create a video using one of the templates, what looks exact same, and then you can offer it and sell it, or you can tweak it, or you can make your own. But this helps you find the most profitable ones, and then you can mirror it, or you can like make some adjustments and make it better. Yeah. Bonus number 4, $97 value, and it's a logo creator. So although you've on this video creator app, you can create logo intros and things like that. This helps you create even more logos. Yeah. So you can sell logos over on Fiverr and that. Create professional eye-catching logos and sell them to local businesses for 300 to 500, or integrate them with your video creator. Yeah, that's what I mean. So you can integrate it with your video creator, all your different templates. Exclusive bonus number 5 is a thumbnail maker, 97 in value. So guys, these are giving you everything you need. So you've got your videos, you've got your thumbnail, so you can upload all this to YouTube. You've even got your VidRank, what will help you find the keywords. So you've got all your tags and that. You can use the VidRank and this thumbnail and use them on other programs that help you make different templates and that for like your Facebook and your Instagram and your TikTok. Skyrocket your click-throughs and video views with your newbie-friendly video thumbnail maker. Number 5, video bonus number 6, guys, 47 value, is a meme generator. So if you want to make some viral memes, yeah, and have some fun, upload them, get a bit more attention and attraction to your offers and your whatever your YouTube channel and that, you can make like teasers and viral and that. Choose from thousands of trending meme images to get more engagement and sales from your social media posts. You can also upload the memes into the video creator app to make your videos stand out and get more likes and shares. Yeah, so all these are helping. Another bonus, HD stock video bundles. So even though you get a lot of stock videos free with inside the app, which are all copyright, you also get these, which you're going to get extra. So no one else is going to have them because you're getting extra. Yeah. Another bonus, guys, is more music. So you get music built in, but you're getting more music. Yeah. Stand out with different videos. And then you also get added into the Skype mentorship group, guys, and it's almost $500 value. And this is where you get access to lots of different trainings and help throughout like every day, basically. That the people who created it are inside the group. Other people who bought it are inside the group. People who bought previous products are inside the group as well, guys. Yeah. Another one, you also get a 21-day video creator training with 497 value. So this is where it's going to show you, even though you get lots of training inside the app, this is going to help you. It's going to show you more in depth. Yeah. So this is like extra training. It's going to show you how to sell your videos. So inside it's going to help you create the videos. This is where it's going to help you sell them and attract big ticket clients to sell the videos you create. Yeah. And it's intense training workshops that will make you an expert. This is a must-have. Another one, guys. It stays the same as the other previous one, but it's 22 call to action, human voices and sales scripts. So yeah, just stop paying hundreds of dollars to get professional voiceovers. Use these 22 professional call to action voices in your videos, yeah, and get more sales. Guys, that is all the bonuses. Now, if you buy or purchase through my link, which is in the description, you also get all these different bonuses, yeah? There's quite a lot here. In fact, let's see how many. There's 23 extra bonuses here for you guys. Now you can pause this video and read through them, right? But some of them, another mean one, yeah, done for you freelancing gig templates for help you on like Fiverr and that. Ad creation for beginners, ad targeting options, so a lot more stuff that can help you get more clients. These are things I've been using. These are things that have helped me. Yeah, so free marketing tools, marketing hacks, high paying clients. Yeah, cheat sheet, headline formulas, guys. There is lots of things here. Yeah. Now, these kind of videos are awesome, guys. Now, it's all thanks to this app here called Video Creator. Now, if you're interested in it, guys, there is a link in the description. Yeah. And if you sign up for it through my link, you get all the bonuses shown. And guys, the Video Creator is a must have. Whether you buy it through my link or someone else's link, just it's an all-in-one. Yeah. You don't have to go to other people, to lots of different video creating tools and buy them all, purchase them all, subscribe to them all, and pay out fortunes every month. This is a one-time fee. You buy this, it's yours. You can create as many videos as you want. It doesn't cost any extra. You can sell these videos. You can use them for your own personal use. You can use them for your own personal business. It's just brilliant to have. Yeah. Video is like the future. People are watching more videos than going on blog posts. Yeah. So why not be part of it? And you can create all these different videos. Yeah. All these different videos. You can make gigs on Fiverr and Upwork for individual of these. So when people are searching for explainer videos, they can come to you. You can make them for them. You can make some money. Yeah. Same with whiteboards, same with slideshows, video ads, logo reveals. Yeah. Your 3D animation. I can't explain enough, guys. Look at some of my videos. I use video apps all the time. This is a new app and it's called Video Creator. So that is it, guys, for today. I know it went on a bit long. Hope you enjoyed this video and let me know what you think. Thanks very much, guys. Till next time. Goodbye.